On this episode, we're going to be looking at 5 tools that we at SOS Creativity recommend for you to use in your business. Before I give you the tools that we're using on a daily basis to help us grow our business and our clients' business, I want you to know that we create content on a weekly basis such as this one to add more value to you. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to join the notification squad so you get the video as soon as they're released. With that being said, the first tool that we're going to be looking at today is Hootsuite. So Hootsuite, or Buffer if you prefer, is a social media management tool that helps you schedule your posts. The reason we use that is because we're managing a lot of social media accounts. Therefore, we do the work in creating the content, curating the content. But rather than having to post on multiple platforms on every individual day, we use Hootsuite or Buffer in some instance to schedule those posts. So whilst we're busy working on more amazing content, the posts are getting posted on the relevant platforms without us actually touching them. So that's one of the most effective tools that we use here at SOS Creativity that if you're not already, you should consider incorporating into your business. The second tool we use on a very frequent basis is MailChimp. What is MailChimp? So MailChimp is an email marketing tool that we use on every email marketing campaigns that we run. So we're constantly sending emails on a weekly basis on SOS Creativity. We also manage some of these for our clients as well. And we prefer MailChimp because of the multiple features and benefit that MailChimp has to offer. For example, it's easier to use. There's a lot of pre-built templates that you can tap into. You have the ability to actually build your own template as well if you're more technically savvy. One of the most important features that I really like about MailChimp is the reporting factor. You can get analytics on pretty much anything and everything. And to top it all up, MailChimp is free if you're between 2,000 and under subscribers. So we really like MailChimp and we use it effectively for our email marketing. And if you aren't already doing so, do check out MailChimp and you will be pleased. Next tool that we use on a daily basis here at SOS Creativity is Slack. With any great project, you need to manage the project effectively. You need to manage the teams, you need to manage the tasks, and you need to manage the deadlines. With Slack, we're able to do this quite effectively because we can build multiple channels where the projects can fit in. We can communicate with the team on a regular basis. We can set deadlines. We can see where everyone's up to on the team, which helps us manage every single project that we're doing successfully and effectively. So if you're not using Slack for your business, do make sure to check it out. Another benefit of Slack is the fact that you can integrate it with a lot of different tools. For example, HubSpot CRM, you can link your Slack into that. So managing your contacts within your CRM, you can definitely work integratedly, which will make your company more efficient. You can link it to other different apps, such as including social media. So you can link it to Facebook, you can link it to a lot of different softwares that you're probably using. So from an all integrated approach, using Slack in your business will help you be more efficient. The next tool that we use on a very day-to-day basis is Photoshop. But for people who are not Photoshop savvy, an alternative is Canva. So what is Photoshop? Photoshop is an image manipulation software where using Photoshop we can create the graphics and the content that we use on all our channels. So whether it's on our website, we can design and edit different graphics to fit maybe the blog post. For example, the cover image on the blog post of our website, we do that with Photoshop. If you're not Photoshop savvy, you can use Canva as an alternative. The posts that we send out on social media, the graphics for that, we use Photoshop to create that. As I say, not everyone's Photoshop savvy or not everyone can afford the Photoshop license. Canva is a free alternative to help you doing that. So if you're not using either of those two tools already, make sure you check them out to optimize your social media content or your graphical content in general. And finally, the fifth tool that we're going to be talking about today is Premiere Pro. This video that you're watching right now has been edited using Premiere Pro. All the graphics flying in, all the animations on the side, the full post-production, we use Adobe Premiere Pro to make this happen. Video marketing is one of the biggest ways to grow your business. Video marketing is one of the best marketing strategies at the moment. So if you're creating videos or if you're going to start creating videos, at some point you might want to consider using maybe Premiere Pro as your post-production to help you edit the video, make it look nice, maybe add some music, add some text and different graphical elements to make the video have a bigger impact on the audience. That's what we use Premiere Pro for. So those are all the 5 tools that we use quite frequently, and we feel if you start utilizing, they could benefit your business. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you have a tool that you use constantly that I've not mentioned, leave them in the comment section below and we'll talk about it. My name is Stephen and I'm the director of SOS Creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next week, bye for now.